Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to select who can edit group admins on WhatsApp. If you want to have control over who can manage your group, this full guide will show you the steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your group. Choose the group that you want to manage the admin permissions for. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots at the top right of the screen. This will open the options menu for the group. Step 4. Tap Group Info. It is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. Step 5. Tap Group Permissions. This will allow you to access the group's permission settings. Step 6. Tap Edit Group Admins. This will let you modify the list of group admins. Step 7. Select who you want to have admin privileges. You can choose from the list of group members. Step 8. Tap the checkmark icon to save your changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily select who can edit group admins on WhatsApp and have better control over your group. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.